Okay, first knit 2 stitches. I got 2 stitches, and then we're gonna start the repeat process. Insert the needle from the back to the front between first and second stitches. So these are the 2 stitches that we are going to work with. So first you insert the needle between the 2 stitches, okay, and then knit the second stitch. So you're just trying to get this needle into the front loop and knit, bring that loop to the back, and then go back to the first stitch and knit, and then you slip the first and the second stitches off together. And what you got here is the crossing of the first stitch over the second stitch. Okay, try again. It's very tricky. It's kind of interesting way of knitting. I have never done this before. So insert the needle between the first and second stitch, and then knit into the second stitch. So you just kind of have to get this needle into that front loop somehow, and then you just knit as normally, but then you bring the yarn toward the back instead of toward the front, and then knit again. Okay, insert the needle, knit, the first, like that. Okay, for the second row, this is much easier because you don't have to twist that bad. So first 2 stitches per row, and then skip the next stitch and purl the second. So since the yarn is already in the front here, it's easy. You just skip the first, go to the second and purl it like that as usual, but don't slip the stitch off the needle yet. You're gonna go back and then purl the first one. Go back to the first one that we skipped and purl. Okay, and slip them off, and then this cause the other right side here, the right side to cross over like that. Okay, try again. Skip, purl the second, purl the first, slip them off. Okay, and then just keep repeating them until you come to the last stitch, and then purl one. So that you do it. So I hope this helped. Let's look at the right side how it look. So right side will look the same or opposite. It look opposite. So when you pull and then you come back to see this side, it kind of slanted in the opposite side. Interesting.